Hey guys, my name is Mani and welcome to a series on React from basic to advanced. In this series, we will start from basic and move towards advanced level and learn the different concepts in React. In this video, we will going to talk about what is React and what is the reason behind learning React. So let's start with what is React. React is an open source JavaScript library used for building user interface. There is one key thing to keep in mind. React is a JavaScript library and not a framework. It is used to build user interface, and that is what it do best in comparison to other libraries or frameworks. React does not focus on routing or handling HTTP requests. It's capable of only building rich user interface. Now, if that creates a concern, that's how you are going to handle routing, HTTP or other functionality. You don't have to worry about it because it has very diversified project from Facebook, so it plays really well with other libraries and it has more than capable of building full applications. Now that you are aware of what is React and why it is used, let's deep dive into why you should learn React. So first of all, it's a well-maintained project by Facebook. A company like Facebook creates its own project with React and invests money and time to keep the project alive and well-maintained. So it can be rest assured that it has very long-term support and will going to be alive for a very long time. Another reason is, as of this lecture, it has more than 100k stats on GitHub. One more reason for learning React is it has very huge community and handled by very professional and experienced developers. So you can find lot of articles on different problems with efficient and reliable solution. If you are stuck somewhere, there will be lot of people out there to help you out with the problem. Also, React become more popular than by any other frameworks or library out there in the market, and companies are also looking for React developers in a tons. So if you are going to learn React, you are definitely going to land in a very sustainable job you always wanted. So that's it for this video. Let's meet in next video to get through the technical aspects of React. You can always comment for any doubts and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.